We have a question here and it's related to fraction only. So what fraction of a day is 8 hours? Now, if we know that in a day uh, we have 24 hours. We have 24 hours. And if it's asking for 8 hours, that what fraction does 8 hours make in complete 24 hours? So what's the total number of hours that a day has been divided into? If you think of a day, let's say that it's the day is this long, let's say, and it has been divided into 24 equal parts, right? 24 equal parts, and that is 24 hours. So total division in a single day is 24 hours. That is, a day is made up of 24 equal parts. So divided by 24, that is the total number of parts a day, a full day has been divided into. And what part it is asking for? It is asking for 8 hours. So 8 by 24 will be the fraction that will be by 8 hours in a 24 hours. Similarly for 16 hours, so we can say that for 16 hours it will be 16 by 24, and for 24 hours, that is for full 24 hours, the fraction will be 24 by 24. And if you solve it, finally if you divide this, you'll get 1 only. That's is a full 1 day, right? So these were the answers for these questions. And then we have another question, and the question is, what fraction of an hour is 1 minute? Now you know that if you are talking about a full hour, let's say that this is our clock, and let's say that your this is 12, right? And this is our hour clock. If it takes a full rotation and finally comes here and makes complete 1 hour, okay, so you know that a one complete hour, 1 hour 1 hour has 60 minutes. That is, one complete hour has been divided into 60 parts, right? It has been divided into 60 minutes. That is 60 equal parts. So divided by 60. Why? Because 60 is the total number of parts in which 1 hour has been divided into, and it's asking for 1 minute. Therefore this will be 1 by 60. It's asking for 4 minutes. This will be 4 by 60. And it is asking for 40 minutes, that what fraction it will make. This will be 40 by 60.